May hapon, sa unang pagbasa, misuggest na ang Dios maghimo na lang ta og bag-ong katawhan kay gahi og ulo ang mga Israelita. Pwede gyud unta na dawato ni Moises because after all, sukad niya gipagawa sa Egypt ang mga Israelita, wala sila laing gihatag, puro sakit sa ulo, problema. Sa Ebanghelyo, pwede gyud untang i-abandon pod ni Jesus ang mga Hudiyo. Because after all the miracles nga iyang gipakita, wala gyud sila mutuo, gahi gyud o kasing-kasing. Pero diha ta bilib nila. Kay wala sila mi-give up sa maong katawhan. Kay para nila, ang tanan nilang pagpaningkamot nga mo-advise ug mo-advise para ra na sa ilang kaluwasan, for the salvation of the people. Mga igsuon, kita pod, naapoy mga katawhan nga gahi ug ulo sa atong palibot. Anak, imong bana, imong asawa, imong igsuon, ginikanan, kinsa pa. May we learn from Moses and Jesus. Basaha balik ang first reading. Dili ta mo give up nila. And the best that we can do is to pray for them. In the first place, it's not our work to change lives. It's God's work. So ayaw ka stress. Ganiha bitang buntag naghatag ko og recollection sa mga minors nga nakahimo og krimen nga naa sa rehab sa gobyerno. Unsay giingon sa ilang head? Padre, ang uban wala na usab diri sa rehab, didto sa jail na usab. Yes, because that is God's work. Iyahan na kanusan niya usbon, basta usbon niya ang tao. Basta kita nahimo nato ang atong obligasyon nga mubadlong. So nakoy kanta nga i-suggest mga igsuon kang Jason Mraz, I won't give up on us. Ingna ang mga tig-ag kasing-kasing nga imong gitrabaho karon. I won't give up on you.
When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. Well, there's so much they hold, and just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Well, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, and when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't want to be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. I won't give up on us. the skies get rough, I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up.